If you have a requirement where you're asked to calculate the average technical score for each of these applications and display it on the job application record, then we can leverage Rollup Summary Fields. Rollup Summary Fields are used to summarize detailed records in a master-detail relationship. They can do the following operations like count, sum, min, and max. And Rollup Summary Fields can be created only on the parent record in a master-detail relationship. To calculate the average technical score, we can divide the total technical score by the number of reviews. To calculate the total technical score on the job application object, we can create a Rollup Summary field. Call it total technical score. And I would like to summarize on the review records. I would want to calculate the sum of all technical scores. I'll make this field visible for all the profiles and not place it on the page layout. I would create another Rollup Summary field. Call it number of reviews. And I would like to summarize on the review records. I would use count to calculate the number of reviews. Make this field visible for all profiles and not place it on the page layout. Then I'll go ahead and create another field, this time a formula field, average technical score. The formula would return a number. The formula would be total technical score divided by number of reviews. I would save this field, make it visible for all the profiles, and place it on the page layout. Let me go ahead and open a job application record. And I can see the average technical score being calculated. Just to quickly summarize, the Rollup Summary fields can be used only on the parent record in a master-detail relationship. You can do count, sum, min, and max. Alright, now you can go ahead and work on assignment number 4.